Here we are, launching at Sunset Aquatic.
Today we are in Huntington Harbor in a boat called Tax Free with Captain Bob managing the actual driving area. Now, here you see the flag. It's about 59 inches tall. It comes with two additional flags, an orange flag and an American flag. Now, it does have four clips, adjustable, replaceable any kind of rail that you have in your boat. Now, the orange flag is mostly used for anything that's overboard. Either you have kayaking or surfers or swimmers, and this will is very visible from a long distance. Anywhere you place in your boat. Very simple to install, easy to use. It could extract, retract, remove, replace, and put any kind of place in your boat. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.